If you're getting a Blender Python traceback error, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to find the real problem, understand what the traceback is telling you, and fix the issue step by step. This is especially helpful if Blender is showing a red error pop-up, an add-on won't load, or a script keeps crashing without a clear explanation. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open the system console. In Blender, go up to the top menu, click Window, and then choose Toggle System Console. This is one of the most important steps because the small red pop-up you see in Blender usually does not tell you the full story. The system console gives you the complete traceback, which means you can actually see the exact line where the error started and the full reason behind it. Once the console is open, don't get overwhelmed by all the text. Tracebacks can look scary at first, but the important part is usually at the very bottom. Scroll all the way down and look at the last line. That line usually tells you the exact error type, such as ModuleNotFoundError, syntax error, attribute error, or key error. This is the key to figuring out what went wrong. The lines above it help, but the final line is often the fastest way to identify the real cause. Now let's break down some of the most common traceback errors. If you see ModuleNotFoundError, that usually means the script or add-on is missing a dependency or it was installed incorrectly. In other words, Blender is trying to use a Python module that it cannot find. If that happens, you may need to reinstall the add-on properly, check the installation instructions, or make sure every required file is included. If you see attribute error, that usually means the script is outdated. It may be trying to use a command, function, or property that no longer exists in your current version of Blender. This happens a lot when an add-on was made for an older release and Blender has changed how certain tools work. In that case, the fix is often to update the script, update the add-on, or use a version of Blender that is compatible with it. If you get a key error, that often means the script is looking for something that no longer exists by that name. For example, it might be trying to find an object, collection, material, or scene item that you renamed or deleted. So if you recently changed names in your project, that could be the cause. Double check the object names, material names, and collection names to make sure they match what the script expects. Another important thing to check is version compatibility. If the error mentions bpy.context or other Blender Python API calls, the script may have been written for an older version of Blender. Blender's Python API changes over time, so a script that worked perfectly in one version may break in another. Always verify whether the add-on or script supports your current version, whether that's Blender 4.2, 4.3, or even later versions like 5.1. If the developer mentions compatibility limits, that information can save you a lot of time. If you are still stuck, a simple restart can help more than people expect. Save your work, close Blender completely, and then reopen it. This clears temporary memory and can remove what people sometimes call zombie scripts or bad data that get stuck during a session. After reopening Blender, test the script again and see if the traceback still appears. Sometimes the issue is not the code itself, but a temporary conflict inside the current session. And if the error still happens, go back to the console and read the traceback line by line. Look for the file name, the line number, and the exact message. That information helps you narrow down whether the problem is a missing module, an outdated function, a naming issue, or a version mismatch. The more carefully you read the traceback, the faster you can solve it. So the big takeaway is this: open the system console, check the very last line, identify the error type, compare it with your Blender version, and restart Blender if needed. That simple process will solve a lot of Python traceback problems much faster than guessing. If this video helped you fix your Blender error, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick Blender tutorials and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.